Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by protecting your data. Back up to OneDrive or an external drive so settings and files aren't lost. Once done, plug the Surface into power and verify battery is above 50% and Wi-Fi is stable. This prevents interruptions. Next, make sure you know the Microsoft account email and PIN. You'll need them after reset. Now open Settings, go to System Recovery, and choose Reset this PC to begin the first actionable step. You now decide how deep the reset should be. Choose Keep My Files to preserve your documents, or Remove Everything for a full wipe. This affects what you need to restore later. Then pick Cloud Download to fetch the newest image or Local Reinstall to use the device image and save bandwidth. Make sure to review the listed apps and drivers that will be removed so you can reinstall essentials. Once configured, confirm and start. The Surface will restart and begin the process. When the reset finishes, complete the out-of-box setup. Sign in with your Microsoft account, check settings, and reconnect Wi-Fi so OneDrive sync resumes. Once in Windows, run Windows Update and reinstall drivers through Device Manager or the Surface app to restore performance. If something goes wrong and the reset fails or stalls, create a UEFI recovery USB or use the Surface recovery image on another PC. This lets you recover the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.